Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. So today let's learn about the lesson fiber to fabric. So you must be familiar with the word fiber and fabric from your previous class, that is class 6. So you have already learned about these two topics. Okay, so in this lesson we will learn in details, okay, how fiber is getting converted to fabric, okay, or how we are getting fabric from fiber. Okay, we'll learn it in detail step by step. But before further proceeding to this lesson, let's recall some of the knowledges which we have learned in class 6. Okay, so now what are the sources of fiber? It may be natural or synthetic, isn't it? So natural fibers, from where we get? From plants and animals. And synthetic fibers, from where do we get? We do not get it from plants and animals. It is man-made. Okay, synthetic fibers are man-made. Now can you name two examples of animal fiber? That is wool and silk. And two examples of plant fiber is, that is cotton and jute. Okay, that means we can get cotton from cotton plant and we can get jute fiber from jute plant. Okay, so all these are some of the few examples which we have learned in class 6. Okay, now let's see, from where do we get wool? Okay, wool is obtained from flesh of sheep or yak. Flesh means what? It is a hair, okay, body hair of animal sheep and animal yak. Okay, silk fiber comes from cocoons of silk moth. Cocoon is what? Cocoon is a protective white covering, okay, protective white covering of the caterpillar. Okay, butterflies, they are producing the cocoons, they make the cocoons. Okay, so these cocoons are what? These are the silk fibers. And also, have you heard the word sweater? Yes, we do wear sweater in winter season, isn't it, to protect ourselves from cold. So now, have you ever imagined from where we are getting this sweater? Okay, so we get sweater from wool. We are making sweater from the wool, and wool we are getting from where? From some different types of animals, from the hairs of animals, isn't it? So we will learn about all this in details in this lesson. Also, we have heard the word sari, isn't it? Sari, like silk sari, have you heard? Yes. Why do we call that type of sari as silk sari? Because those saris are made of silk fiber, and we are getting the silk fiber from where? From the cocoon of silkworm, or we can say from the cocoon of a butterfly or silk moth. Okay, so now first of all, let's discuss about the animal fibers in details. And the two animal fibers are, it is wool and silk. Okay, so first let's see what is wool. Wool comes from sheep, yak, goat and some other animals. Okay, we get wool from where? From sheep, goat, yak and also from different types of animals. Okay, those animals which have hair in their body. Okay, these wool yielding animals bear hair on their body. So now these animals, sheep, goat, yak and also other animals, okay, they have what? They have hair on their body. Okay, so see this side here. Can you see the picture here? See this one. This is what? It is an animal. Okay, this is a what? It is a sheep. And this sheep is having what? Has a lot of white hair in its body. Gray hair actually. It is a gray. Some of them are having white, but mostly gray hairs in their body. Okay. Now let's see animals that yield wool. That means animals which produces wool. Okay, yield means to produce. Several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country, isn't it? So breeds here, it means different varieties. Okay, varieties of sheep are found in different parts of the country. So however, the fleece of sheep is not the only source of wool. So it is not like we can get wool only from the sheep, not like that. Okay, so we can get wool from varieties of animal, from different animals also we can collect wool. though wool commonly available in the market is sheep wool. So but in the market, which is very common, which we can commonly find, is from sheep wool. Okay, but still we can get wool from different animals also. So here let's see all the animals from which we can get wool. So first, yak. Yak wool is common in Tibet and Ladakh. So it depends upon the availability of the animals. In Tibet and Ladakh, what type of animal is found more? That is yak. So people from there, they are extracting wool from the yak. Okay, mohair is obtained from Angora goats. So Angora goats is what? It is one of the breed. Okay, breed of a goat, one variety. Okay, so mohair is again what? It is also a type of fiber which we are getting from Angora goats, found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. So now again this Angora goats is available in which place? It is available, it can be found in Jammu and Kashmir. So people from there, they are extracting mohair from Angora goats. Wool is also obtained from goat hair. Now we can also get wool from where? From goat hair, means fur of the goat. Okay, the under fur of Kashmiri goat is soft. Now the goat which were found in Kashmir, okay, there we get under fur, means we have studied that two types of hairs, body hairs we can find in sheep, isn't it? One is long coarse hair and the other one is tiny small soft hair which is found under the coarse hair and which is attached to the skin. So the goat which is found in Kashmir, they have what? Soft fur. Okay, means soft hair. It is woven into fine shawls called pashmina shawls. Okay, so from that soft fur which is extracted from the goat found in Kashmir, they are used to make shawls. Okay, shawls, these are what? Scarves which we are using during winter seasons, okay, to cover our body. The fur on the body of camels is also used as wool. So we can also use the hair, body hairs of camels as a wool, and also llama and alpaca. So this llama and alpaca is also one of the two different types of breed which we are from which we can extract wool, and they are found where? Found in South America. And also eel wool, means they produces wool. Okay, so from here we have got the names of some of the animals from which we can get wool. Okay, so from first, let's see, the first animal which we came to know is sheep, and the others are yak, goats, then camels, then llama and alpaca. Now let's see the images of all these animals. Okay, so see here in the first image it is given, this image is what? It is image of a Angora goat, and this is a goat which we all know. Okay, now let's see the other ones. Those are camel. See, this is the image of camel, yak, then this is the llama, and this is alpaca. Okay, so here the images of animals are shown from which we can get wool. That's it for today. So thank you. Do revise the lesson again and again and try to understand and watch the video. If you don't understand at once, then please watch it again and try to understand it. Thank you.